Hi, it's John Custom Mason R&D. Today we have a set of throttle bodies off of a Porsche 911, and we have we've discovered quite a problem here. You can see that they're corroded quite badly in here, and we're going to actually take these and make a little ring to go in here, and we're going to take and put some new holes in there, and then we're going to bore it out for the throttle plates to repair the damage. So we're going to show you how that's done. I'm going to bore this out in several steps. We'll stop there and set our zip. Now we'll move on. Alright, here we go for what should be our last pass. Alright, our sleeve should slip down in there just fine. We're going to use a little bit of epoxy to hold this in place, and then we'll go ahead and go off to the next one. Alright, well, we have all three bores bored out, and we'll go ahead and get started on the next one. Well, we need to drill a small hole in here for the air bleed so that we can adjust the idle on this. Well, we've made up a jig to hold our throttle assembly here, and we're going to take and cut this little lip off of here, off of the sleeves that we put in. Our next step is to bore this out. And there we have it. All right, now we're going to take and cut the holes for the throttle shafts.